was gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
So this is what I got from Kamkunji and some from Makeover. So wow, so I'll take you through everything that I bought, the jars where I got it and how much I got it at. So I'll list everything and I'll definitely arrange my kitchen with you now with all these new things. So stay tuned, chatufanye haul pamoja. So one by one we go. So as you can see, these are organizers. The fridge. So the bigger one I got it at 400. I got it at 300. Then this, let me put this aside. Then this large ones, floated. You know, acrylic is expensive. So each at around 800. Yeah, 800 each. So let me put these jars aside, and this be the chopper for my onions and tomatoes. So this one was at I think 350 or 400. Yeah. This one is a hanger for my bedroom. This one will go to my bedroom because sometimes nimetoa jacket, I don't even know where to hang. Oh God, so this one I got it at 300. Yeah, this one is 300. There you go. So this one is in a paligo. As you can see, in a paligo. So I have a perfect combo for this one. This one I got it at Akisiko Shua, but if you are sure nitaweka kwa description box and put the prices. So this one is organizing the place here for Shabzongo. So let me show you the perfect combo for this one. There we go. This is the perfect combo. Let me show you. So here is the perfect combo for it. Hii nice itaingiana. I'll show you how I'll organize it. So hii ya kuweka vifuniko zangu za sufuria. This one for 300, just one. Okay, I'll put the prices on the description box. This one, the ice cubes, the jar inaka maji because I cleaned it. The jar. This one is an oil jar. There you go. So here, okay, the other one ilipasuka. Then easy now. This one's now the jars. I got them from Anitwaji. Simnajua hizo streets za tao. So each for 100. And kuna hutu. I already tested one. So stickers 20 bob. Yeah, you can just print them from yourself. So I was just testing one. So we're going to organize it together. Kuna easy. Then aka ni 350 and 300 for my solid and all.
If we keep our faith, sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. So you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me.
Now that we are done refilling our spice jars, angalia vile hapo panaka. I want us to organize this whole place together. So acha tutoe hizo vitu, then tupanguze na tupange, then you see the outcome.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reaction, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Kupanga hapa. Now that you're done organizing here, let's go to here. Here, Kazitoa. All these are going to remove them, and let's do this and see how it goes.
It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something.
So up here I'm going to change these ones, but for now acha tu zikae. So I'm gonna refill all this when I'm doing my shopping haul. Nita take through. So I'm just organizing so that I can know what is amiss. What do I need to add? Stock remove. So kuje katikati. So these ones I'll buy others, but for now acha zikae. So there you go. Do here.
Oh no.
This is a simple organization, nothing big.
Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reaction, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. work.
So the next task is cleaning my fridge. You can see how it looks. Ona tu vile nimekuwa nikiachilia. I've been very busy. I've not been around. So as usual imeisha vitu. I want you to see vile inakanga ikiwa dirty. So that we are gonna clean it together and organize it pamoja. Okay, not really organizing because we have not restocked. We'll restock in the next video. So keep tuned and see how I clean my fridge.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah. I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing.
Thank you so much for watching as I clean my fridge. It is empty, so nikitoka diani nitakuja ni restock, alafu tutashoot pamoja. tutaweka mayai huko, tutaweka vegetables, we put the necessary things where they're supposed to be. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with family and friends. Adios.